Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to do voice text on TikTok. So it's so easy. When you're about to upload your video like this to TikTok, you can see this text icon over here. You can click on that text icon and then you can type any text that you want to describe your video. For example, I'm going to type this. So next, I'm going to change the font type of the text. Next, to change the text into voice, you can click this icon here.
On fine morning at the garden.
You can also change the voice.
On
fine morning at the garden.
On a fine morning at the garden. On a fine morning at the garden.
On fine morning at the garden.
So I'm going to choose this.
On fine morning at the garden.
And then we can click done. And your video will be like this.
On fine morning at the garden.
So that's how you do voice text on TikTok. It's so easy, right? Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.